Now, another way to do a search is when you're not quite sure of all of the words that go in between a particular multi-word keyword, then you'll want to do what's called a wildcat search. And you can do a wildcat search by using the asterisk. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the term as it is. You'll see that right now it's giving us 11 million results. We are going to now change this to an asterisk. We're going to put the asterisk at the beginning. I'm going to put the asterisk at the end. And then we're actually going to then hit send. You'll notice that the results increase because what we're doing is we're widening the search and we're saying to Google, we're not quite certain if those are all of the right words in between. So what it tries to do is it tries to give a wider net and a wider set of results. And what you're going to see is that you're going to have a different set of the first 10 results in actuality to look through. So again, when you don't know quite what the terms are or you're not quite certain of them, use a wildcat search and the asterisks. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.